I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the client is installed and reachable. This saves time when you connect. Once done, export or set DB host, DB user, and DB path so commands won't prompt repeatedly. Open the command prompt and run which PSQL or MySQL to confirm the binary. Then check the target port, for example 5432 or 3306, to confirm the server is listening. These steps get your environment ready and let you attempt the first live connection immediately. Now you assemble the exact command string and run it. For example, PSQL HUR. Host P5432, UAlicedMyDB will attempt a login. Include W if you want an interactive prompt, or set PG password for scripts. Make sure to add SSL mode equals require if the server needs TLS, and specify the socket or instance name for cloud providers. Once you connect, run a lightweight query, like select one to validate permissions, and confirm that queries execute properly before running heavier operations. With a successful connection, run your intended SQL, migrations, data imports, or ad hoc queries. Remember to manage transactions explicitly, commit when changes are ready or roll back to discard partial work, then close the session with \q, quit, or exit. Save the final connection string and any script automation in a secure place like a protected env file. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: verify firewall rules and that the credentials match the user's host permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.